Welcome. In front of me I have WITHINGS ScanWatch Nova, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the WITHINGS self-made application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. In the app you will see the home page. Now tap on the device icon in the top right corner to open the device page, and on this page you should see your ScanWatch Nova. Now tap on the All Settings button, scroll down and find the option called Dissociate this product. Tap on this button and tap on Remove from my account. Okay, once the watch disappears from the app, we can close the app. We can open the settings on our iPhone, tap on Bluetooth, and here you should see ScanWatch 2 on the list of devices. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device to remove it. And at this point the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.